Alright, yo, what's going on? We're gonna be making a smoothie bowl, so I'm gonna get my ingredients and we just gonna get right into it. You know what I'm saying? I've been getting into this, trying to give myself some better things to snack on because I like to snack for the most part, but what I snack on is just, it's not good. And excuse my face if you can't tell, I just went for a run, so I'm just gonna go and get my ingredients. And we'll be right back. So my audio didn't record, so I'm gonna just say what I was supposed to say in the video. We got some blackberries, and then we got some raspberries, and we got some good old blueberries. Okay, and I messed up because I said blueberries instead of blackberries, so that's why I showed you again. We got some almond milk, spinach, and then some protein. You know, you can get this protein at Walmart. That's where I got it if you want to be like me. Yeah, so we're gonna put some up. We're gonna put them up in here. Also, little side note for the fruit that I showed you guys, I put those already in the freezer the day before so they could be frozen to have that texture rather than just using fresh fruit. Which I would have told y'all from the jump, but you know, my audio for some reason wasn't recording. But it is what it is. Oh my goodness, the blueberries getting everywhere. You know, we just gonna throw them suckers back in there. Light work, light work. And now, oh yeah, I forgot. Chia seeds, you know, get that fiber up in there, the other health benefits that they provide. Go ahead and throw that sucker up in there. Add our little spinach up in here. You know, as much as you want. I like fruit more than anything, so that's why there's more fruit than the vegetables, but you know, that's my cup of tea. And then we're just only gonna use about 1 scoop of this protein powder, unless you really want it to be extra protein. But that ain't gonna be it for me, I'm gonna tell you that right now. So, we almost there, we getting there. And we're gonna only put in just a little bit of almond milk because you want it to be thick. You want the smoothie bowl to be thick, almost like not sorbet, but you know what I'm saying? You want to be able to scoop it. You want to be able to hold it with your hand. And then what I'm grabbing in the freezer is just a couple of cubes of ice. I have 5 right here. Just throw them suckers up in there. And now we finna get the blending. That's what I said. And this is just me saying this is what the big girl bucks get you. You know what I'm saying? With the whole smoothie blender. Get into it. I had to bring it in for the action. It's probably good that the audio didn't go through because it was quite loud. And I shall be back once this is done. All right, man, we done got it done. It's ready to go. So this part right here is my favorite part, when you take it out and you just wait for it to just come on down in the bowl. And so here we go. I'm gonna show you the action. We're gonna get into it. Y'all. You see this? I want you to see it. Right, just look at that sucker. Ooh, wait. Barely want to get out. Now that right there. Ooh, that right there. You see that? Mm-hmm. They didn't even want to come at it though. Look at that right there, boy, I tell you. But here y'all go, man. This is the finished product. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Once again, I'm sorry for the audio issues, but thanks for tuning in. Bye.